For 20 years, we've done more than install plumbing. We've helped build homes where families will create memories for generations. From the pipes you never see to the comfort you enjoy every single day, every detail matters. This radiant snow melt system is a reflection of what K-Tech Plumbing has always believed. Quality isn't just about doing the job right. It's about planning ahead, building for the future, and delivering craftsmanship that stands the test of time.